Welcome to San Diego Made, San Diego Proud. I'm Allie Wagner. We are celebrating business members who have helped define San Diego as America's finest city. And with me this morning is Dr. Sandy T. Feldman from Clearview Eye and Laser Medical Center. Welcome.
Good morning.
Now, today we're talking about Lasik, and there's a lot of people who are scared about Lasik. I've always heard about it, but have never quite gone that route. Now, why should people not be afraid of getting it done?
Well, there are several different types of Lasik, and if you're a patient, it's important to become aware of all of them. Custom Lasik is very safe. It's now used by the military for pilots, SEALs, and soldiers. And that's the procedure at Clearview that I recommend for my patients.
Now, I know that I have every once in a while I sleep in my contacts. They tell you that's horrible for you. Now, would that mean that I'm a good candidate for Lasik?
Well, like a lot of people, sometimes if you're having issues with contact lenses, you might think, I'm not a good candidate. But you likely might be.
As far as who is, how do you determine if you are?
Well, the best way is to go and get your eyes examined to determine whether you're a candidate or not. However, most people today are good candidates because Lasik can treat nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. Unless you have some crazy prescription, often Lasik is good for you.
And how long does it take? I mean, when you get Lasik done, is there a long recovery time? How does that work?
Well, the recovery, our patients tell us the recovery is often faster than expected to be. It's often minimal, and even super busy people can fit it into their schedule.
And so if I get Lasik done, I mean, what can I expect from the process?
Well, realistically, most people after custom Lasik can generally go without glasses or contact lenses. It is truly one of the miracles of modern medicine.
And I guess a lot of people always wonder this. I mean, is it affordable? Can I realistically work this into my budget?
Well, cost is only one of the things that you want to look at when you're considering Lasik. As we discussed, there's different types of Lasik procedures, and what you want to know is what's best for you. Now, you can go get inexpensive Lasik out there, but often it's with older technology that uses a blade to cut the cornea and create the flap. So what I recommend is what's best for patients going to give you the best vision safely, and that's all laser custom Lasik.
And once again, who is the best candidate for that kind of Lasik?
Well, generally, as we talked about, nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism. The first step in determining whether you're a candidate is to come in for a complimentary consult examination. We'll do a lot of testing, evaluate a lot of technical information about your eyes, and I, as the doctor, will make the recommendation as to what is best for you, depending on the activities and the specific things of your eyes.
And people can get in touch with you if they call your number, 858-452-3937. Is that the best way to get in touch with you?
Yes. Or they can go on our website as well, clearvieweyes.com.
Well, thank you so much for coming in and sharing the information. That's going to do it for San Diego Made, San Diego Proud for today. We'll see you guys next time.
San Diego Made, San Diego Proud is a paid advertisement brought to you by Clearview Eye and Laser Medical Center.